Welcome, Jivalali. In this tutorial, we're going to build the maze for our maze game. Now, straight away, we need to go down to the stage area. Now, the stage area is right down here. So you need to click on there, and that will enable you to decorate this section here, which is the stage. And to get onto the backdrops, the different costumes that your maze can have is just here under backdrop tab there. So just click on there and you'll get a editing tool. And now just to zoom out so you can have a good look at your stage, you just click on the minus sign here. So I'm just going to zoom out and then you'll see all of the area here. Now first I'm going to give my stage a background color. Now to do that I'm going to use a bitmap image tool. At the moment it's a vector image, so to make it into a bitmap we just click on here. This is the convert to bitmap and that will make an image that we can fill using the fill tool. So the fill tool is just here, paint tipping tool just there, and then choose your color if you want. First I'm going to choose a nice green, click away and then choose the fill tool and just click on the area and it will fill it, and you can see that your stage has filled in green if you've chosen green. Next we're going to start creating the walls of our maze. Now obviously first we need to change the color again because we can't use the same color. Now I'm going to choose a fill from here. Okay, there's my fill color, just click away and then I'm going to use the rectangle tool, which is just here. Now be careful here, you draw your rectangle for your wall, and once you've finished drawing you let go and you'll see that it's got handles, these circles around. That means it's active and you can move it around. Now as soon as you click away like this, you can no longer click on it again. If you do try and click on it again, it will just create lots and lots of squares. Now what you can do is undo by clicking on the undo tool here, and that will take you back and that will remove all those squares that you've created by accident. And if you go far enough you'll get back your handles back. With these handles you can resize like that, you can stretch up and down and left and right. So what you're going to do is create the walls of your maze. Now that's one wall, click away and it will become part of your image. Now using the rectangle again you can begin creating the walls of your maze, but make sure you leave enough space for your sprite to get around here. You'll be able to shrink your sprite down. As you can see, if it was my cat here I would have to shrink him down. Now I've clicked on my sprite here, so I've got to go back to my stage here to edit again. So I'm going to add a few more walls to my maze. I wouldn't make it too complicated, and then you can draw over them to make like a T shape, and I'm going to add one just here and maybe one just there, and that is my maze for now. Okay, so that is how you create the maze for your maze game. Once you've done that, you can save your game or name your game by clicking in here, delete what's written in there and call it maze game. Okay, that is the end of this tutorial and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.